Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to and show you step by step how you can clear or delete the trash folder within your account on Smartsheet. For example, if you'd like to make some space within your account on Smartsheet and delete workspaces as well as workspace items. So let us dive into this and show you each step of the process. So what you want to do, guys, let me just navigate to the home section of my account, is head over to smartsheet.eu, log into your account, and here from the home section, guys, navigate to browse here to the left, and here, guys, to the left, expand workspaces. And from here you can, for example, navigate through your workspaces, right click into each one of them and select delete to delete them. However, guys, deleting workspaces is permanent, so these won't be moved to the trash folder, but project dashboards and project sheets do. For example, if you select, let me go with this one and that one here, for example. Oh, that's a workspace, sorry. So navigate to the given workspace first, and after that, again, click into these checkboxes to the left to delete the given sheet, like this one here or this one. After that, click into that trash icon at the top to move these items, workspace items, to the trash folder. This trash folder, guys, will be listed below your workspaces under deleted items. So from here, guys, you may navigate to it, for example, and go through that list of workspace items and delete them or restore them. Bear in mind that these deleted items will stay in that folder, in the trash folder, for 30 days. Sorry, excuse my poor English here. And after that, they will be deleted permanently and for good. So within these 30 days, you will have time to, for example, restore them by clicking into them, by selecting action, and by undelete. Here it's not restore, it's undelete. So let me do that really quickly, and that is going to restore it. The other way how you can clear your trash folder, guys, is simply bulk select all of them and click into this button here, trash folder, to delete these forever, guys. As you see, according to this information, those won't be able to be recovered again. So let me do that really quickly, confirm by clicking to delete here, and that's how you clear your trash folder. As you can see, these deleted items have been removed permanently from that folder, guys, and that's how you do it here on Smartsheet. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.